Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can fix the error of your Gmail app not working. So for that, you'll have to open your settings, and after coming to settings, make sure that you're connected to a very strong Wi-Fi network. If not, then I suggest you to switch to a very strong Wi-Fi network. If you're using 3G or 4G, if you're using mobile data, then I suggest you to use 5G because Gmail requires a very strong Wi-Fi connection. And after that, just click on general, and after clicking on general, scroll down until you find the option VPN and device management, and just click on that. Here it should be written not connected. If you're connected to a VPN, just click on it and disconnect that, and after that you can just retry logging into your Gmail account. And if your Gmail application runs smoothly, then that issue has resolved. If not, then I suggest you to go back and check out your software update. Make sure that you have installed a very latest version of the software. If not, then just click on software update and update your software, and then retry, and your issue would be resolved. So that is how you can fix the error of Gmail app not working. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.